What's up, guys? I just wanted to let y'all know that we won our first vehicle. It's a C5 Corvette.
Yeah, it's a 2000 model. It's red. It's got a little damage on the front left quarter panel and the right rear quarter panel. And it has 2 blown airbags. It's low miles to be 20 years old. I think it had 70 or 90,000 miles. I can't remember.
We woke up at like 3 in the morning and it's about 6 hours away, and it's in Dallas, Texas.
Yeah, so we'll be there about 10:30, and it's at a Copart facility. It's kind of southeast of Dallas, and a little bit excited, a little nervous, being our first build. We got I think a really good deal on it. So we'll be there in a little bit, and you'll get to see it as soon as we see it.
So we'll let you know when we get there. We finally made it to Copart, and it actually took us about 8 hours due to all the stops we had to make.
Okay, we just got here. You gotta sign in on the app, and it gives you a queue. It says we have a 3-minute wait. They're gonna text us when we're ready. We'll go in, give them the check, get the title and stuff, and I guess they'll bring the car out and we'll get it loaded up. It's raining, so looks like we're gonna get wet. So we'll see you in a bit.
Here's our Corvette. It looks really nice, and it looks just like the pictures. What's up, guys? It's the next day. We finally got the Corvette in the garage. We had some massive problems. We could not get the car in the garage. It would not get off the trailer, and we were making too much noise last night, so we just waited until the morning to get it off. And I'm gonna let my dad show y'all how we got it off the trailer.
All right, like Tyler said, we finally got the car unloaded, and it was a massive ordeal. Let me back up the whole story. So the trip there was perfect. Copart was perfect. It's a flawless company, unbelievable. The South Dallas location, did you like that place?
Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah, that place is perfect. Every employee is super nice. So all that went flawless. We got home. Well, one more step back. So we got the car loaded at Copart, and then the forklift driver put it on a trailer, and the front wheels were turned, so I had my door open on the car. So I straightened the tires up so I can strap them down, and when I did, the car lowered a little bit, so the door lowered on the sidewall of the trailer. So now I got a little gash in my door from that. but then I got the guy to pick it back up, and so that's all fine. I'll fix that later. So we get the car home, try to crank it up. The battery's dead, of course. It's been sitting for probably 4, 5, 6 months, who knows. So I put my battery booster, it's over here, but I put my battery booster on it, and the battery is 0 volts, so it doesn't detect even there's a battery. I get my big battery charger, and it's saying connect cables, because it don't detect, so I can't even crank the car. So I finally get something to work, and I get some voltage in it, and I'm finally able to crank the car. And then the front left tire, you see it, it's dented in and seized up. It won't turn. The back right tire was hit, so it's seized up and bent and won't move. So I'm backing down the trailer. So I got one tire spinning, so it's coming down the ramps, and it's turning the car sideways coming down the ramps. So then it starts scratching our good fender. So it gets late. I say, let's just stop, we'll wait till tomorrow. This is how we finally got off the trailer. I got this strap. I tied this around it's not really an axle, but tied it around that. Then I come to this door frame and tied it around the door frame. And then I just took my truck and drove out, and it just pulled it down that way. Instead of trying to drive down with the tire spinning and wanting to shift off the trailer, it just pulled it straight. So that worked perfect. No more damage to the car. And so that was a good thing this morning. So let's do a quick walk around of the outside of the car, and I'll let Tyler do the inside of the car. All right, so the back bumper, I thought we might could save. I thought it just had this one dent in it, and I might could heat it up from the inside and press it out. But actually, it's ripped right here. So we're gonna have to get a whole new back bumper. I knew we needed a back quarter panel, or back fender, whatever you call it. This tire here is bent in, so I don't know what all is damaged behind that. It could be some of the wishbone suspension, I don't know. Door's fine. Oh, another issue on the way home is this hard top kept lifting up. See this? It's not the actual hard top, it's just the skin. So I guess the glue came off. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. So coming around, hood is perfect. This fender's perfect. Everything on the front bumper is good except there's one spot. So we'll have to change out this whole front bumper because of this. It's busted right here. And then this headlight is busted right on the edge. This tire's been in, so most likely it was hit from the front. It spun around and the back end hit something. That would be my best guess. So this has been in, so who knows what kind of damage is behind there. This door was perfect, except for here's the damage I did at Copart, where it hit the top of the trailer rail. And then this was last night getting it off the trailer. So the whole car will probably have to get a paint job. This is good. Back hatch is good. So other than a few quarter panels, front and rear bumper, and who knows what the damage is behind the tires, but it cranks up great, it sounds good, and that's basically it. So I'll let Tyler do the inside.
All right, we're gonna take a look at the interior of the car. The car is very clean, no rips or tears. 2 airbags are blown. We have the driving and the passenger. We're gonna have to also replace the seat belt.
No, that looks good. He must not have had a seatbelt on during the wreck.
Yeah, so we won't have to replace this.
Because normally that locks up and you have to send it out. So that'll save us $80 or so.
Yeah. Yeah, the interior is very clean. This looks like we might have to just put some glue on it. Alright, other than that, the interior looks good. Let's take a look at the center console to see if there's anything in here. There is some glasses. And that yellow envelope right there, that has some mail in it, so we're gonna see if we can give that back to the original owner. so we might put these glasses back in that. Let's take a look in the glove box. There's a CD. I don't know what for though. We can maybe put that back. It has this warranty and owner information, a 2000 Chevy Corvette. We might can keep this. Now we can go take a look at the back hatch, but first we have to hook the battery up so we can lift it. So let's go do that now. All right, so we are putting the battery back in so we can get the car started and open the back hatch.
Oh, we got power. All right, let's go try.
All right, the battery is installed. It has power. We are going to see if we can open the back hatch and see if nothing is jammed due to the wreck. All right, looks like it works. Nice back here. All right, now. Oh, it came with a couple of stuff. Let's see what's all in here. All right, so these are some lug nuts. I'm not really sure what this is. Let's take a look what's in this one. Looks like we have another license plate. This one's bent. Let's see what is in this one. Ooh, here's some more license plates.
Why do they have so many? I wonder what's going on here.
This is a nice one. We're definitely gonna add these to our collection.
Yeah, you can, I don't know if you want to put it here with, that's the 50 states. We'll do something since this is our first build.
Let's put this back and close the back hatch.
It's clean back here.
Very clean. Really no vacuuming needed.
All right, close it up.
Guys, thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the walk around of the Corvette.
Yeah, this is our first build, so please, if you have any suggestions or comments, please let us know. We're obviously not experts at this. This is our first build. I'm sure we're gonna make tons of mistakes, and a lot of you pros out there are gonna be probably shaking your head or laughing at us, but it's gonna be a good father-son project. So if you would, please subscribe. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers. That way he might can start getting a little money for YouTube and maybe get some camera gear and pay for some better editing software. So again, thank you so much.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video.
And we will be back in probably about 1 week. Thank you.